Hackettstown Live is a premier webcasting and web commercial production facility. Let us create a web commercial like this for the holiday season. Just give us a call to book a music video shoot or audio recording session at an incredible holiday discount. Now I'm coming to you from a state-of-the-art multimedia production studio right here in the heart of Hackettstown, New Jersey. We feature a multi-track audio and video studio, a technologically advanced green screen stage, a fully equipped and soundproof audio room, and non-linear editing post-production suites, all built into this beautiful Victorian house just off Main Street. This place can handle any production, from a multi-camera shoot to a simple audition tape. We also provide full field production capability, so we can come to you. I'm J.J. Wilson. Check in with us daily and we'll keep you up to date with the events and the latest news here in Hackettstown on Hackettstown Live.